Just a quick flyover of green tunnels. Four things might have changed here, so I'm just gonna fly over the top, see where they're up to now. Not much has changed, really. I'd thought that they might have started to cover them, because last time I was here they had some polythene over the top, but it looks like it's exactly the same. A very quick flight over the top here. It's just passing, so you can see they are wrapped in a lot of polythene. There's the old runway on the left there. But yeah, no sign of them starting to be infilled yet. Does seem like they're a lot longer today though. Let's get to the end there. Not very far for them to go. Has changed here. We park opposite the south compound, which always had a CCTV camera on it on the gate. Gate's now been CCTV's gone. Yeah, just a quick flyover to see if anything had started to infill. There's some JCBs on the side here. Made it look like maybe things had started to be filled in, but no, not yet. There we are, there's that car storage on the left. Massive old airfield, which has been cut off by the green tunnel. And the runways removed. It just brought me slightly off the line I was using. Have a look over and see how many segments are left. Don't remember these lakes being here, these drainage ponds. See, it flies over the top of the tunnel. Still plenty of tunnel segments over there. Still lots of stuff in stock. But yeah, just a quick video. Oh, that's a plane. Rich,
Yeah.
I'm watching it,
Yeah.
and I'm like, perfect. And I'm like banking it round, looking at the end of the tunnel.